Oh, I'm underwhelmed.
I'm completely underwhelmed.
It's time for instant coffee.
Bitch. Come on, lovely.
Are there any fish?
Oh, yeah. And 2 terrapins.
Oh, cool. There's 2 ducks. 3 ducks. And a tractor. We're now going to Carl's most gracious barn. As if he doesn't have enough buildings. Ooh. Oh, it's quite medieval, isn't it?
If you want to have a look under your car, we've got a hydraulic car lift.
That would come in handy.
For what?
I don't know. What's out there?
Well, this is where the new cottages are going to be.
Oh.
More stables. So all of this courtyard is going to be stables.
Stables or
Oh,
cottages?
it's going to be cottages, sorry.
Where will I live?
In any one you want.
How do you have your coffee? Just milk or...?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Carl's showing quite a bit of cleavage there.
Do you want to see my gracious green barn?
Oh my God, there's another thing. What the earth is going on? There's another building. What's in your green barn?
My fuel store.
Fuel?
Yeah.
Ooh.
The doors are found.
Oh yes, there's not much fuel in there. That's quite a cleavage you've got going on there, Carl. Goodness me, what are you going to keep in here?
Well, Darren's boat.
Oh yes, Darren's boat.
Don't trip over that. What do you think that is?
I don't know. Looks quite sexual. This is a little cottage I stayed in last night. What's in there?
This is my gracious classroom and gym.
Oh, wow. Do some punching.
You do sometimes.
Bloody hell! Oh, it's really tough. These are Carl's vending machines. He's trying to have a bistro like Pat in his house.
This is his Mickey Minaj. It's an arena for show jumping and dressage.
Oh, Darren, do you do a bit of dressage?
I don't, no.
I'm exhausted walking around. So many buildings.
Should we let the sheep out?
Where are they?
They're in the stable.
They're never out. They've got all that grass.
I know. You've bought me lazy sheep. You bought sheep. I wanted sheep to eat and they just lie in the stable all day.
Where are they?
In the stable.
Where are they? Oh, there they are.
Do you think they're not well?
They're fine. There we are. They're relaxing. Where are we now? What's this bit?
This is the winter paddock
Oh.
for wintering.
Alison Putland's going to be very jealous.
Go and have a walk on it. It's very springy. Quite nice.
She should avoid cantering though, didn't we just decide?
She should. Well, if she fell off here, it's quite soft sand. She wouldn't.
Yeah, so this would
break
probably be
herself.
where Alison fell off.
Yes.
And here. And here. And over there as well. This is the other field where the sheep are going to go.
Well, Alison, there's some inventing steps there that she can fall off as well.
Oh yeah, she'd love those. So where would Alison fall?
Alison fall there.
Yes.
Probably there.
Yes.
And there.
Yes.
And then probably there.
At the top.
Close up.
Oh, this is yours as well?
Yes.
Oh my God, it's ridiculous. Yeah, you'll need more sheep.
But come.
There's loads of them.